Germany's Rheinmetall has finalized construction of a state-of-the-art aerospace facility in Wies, North Rhine-Westphalia, marking a €200 million investment in the global F-35 stealth fighter program. Built in collaboration with U.S. defense giants Northrop Grumman and Lockheed Martin, the plant will manufacture center fuselage sections for the F-35A Lightning II and is slated to begin operations by July 2025. Covering 60,000 square meters, the complex houses a comprehensive industrial ecosystem, including assembly lines, research labs, logistics hubs, training centers, and quality assurance zones. Rheinmetall Aviation Services GmbH will manage operations, with the site expected to produce 30 center fuselages annually, scalable up to 36 units under increased demand. The facility becomes the world's second center fuselage integrated assembly line for the F-35, joining Northrop Grumman's original line in Palmdale, California. Initial output will include a 2-ton, 300,000-part fuselage section scheduled for shipment to the U.S. in autumn 2026. Germany, which has ordered 35 F-35s to replace its aging Tornado jets, will begin receiving aircraft in 2027. The move aligns with the country's NATO nuclear sharing role and underscores Berlin's prioritization of stealth and interoperability over domestic alternatives. To support the project, more than 35 heavy equipment shipments arrived from the U.S. starting in early 2025. Rheinmetall also partnered with Aerobildungs GmbH in 2024 to replicate Northrop Grumman's training model for German personnel. The site currently employs 200 staff, with expectations to double that figure by late 2026. The long-term plan involves producing over 400 fuselage sections over 2 decades under a strategic framework with Northrop Grumman. Rheinmetall's expansion into aviation signals a broader shift in its portfolio, long dominated by ground-based weapons and munitions, toward high-tech aerospace systems. The company is adapting to a post-Ukraine invasion reality, where Europe is accelerating defense investments and diversifying supply chains. The F-35's production architecture spans continents, with European firms providing around 30% of the jet's components. German, British, Danish, Dutch, Finnish, and Belgian suppliers contribute fuselage parts, electronic systems, and sustainment services. Germany's own aircraft, beginning with serial MG-01, started construction in the U.S. in late 2024, but local production efforts like Wies are intended to secure long-term strategic autonomy and supply stability. Other European assembly hubs include Italy's Cameri facility, operated by Leonardo, which also performs maintenance and upgrades for several European fleets. Japan and Australia likewise run final assembly lines or produce key components. For example, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries handles assembly for Japan, while BAE Systems Australia fabricates vertical tails. Canada and Israel also play major roles in manufacturing engine and avionics systems. Belgium, which ordered 34 F-35s, is actively pushing for more domestic involvement. Though initially promised billions in offset contracts, actual returns have lagged. A revised agreement in 2024 projects €2.7 billion in returns over 40 years, as Belgian firms like ASCO and Sabco ramp up production of wing and fuselage parts. Finland is also enhancing its footprint in the program, building a new facility in Jämsä to produce fuselage sections and landing gear doors. The site will double as a maintenance center for the F-135 engine, ensuring local support for its fleet between 2026 and 2040. The F-35 program, spanning more than a dozen nations and nearly 2,000 suppliers, is a model of distributed manufacturing. It enables flexible, resilient production that can adapt to geopolitical changes. With the addition of Rheinmetall's Wies plant, Germany strengthens its role as a vital node in this global defense network, balancing transatlantic collaboration with European industrial sovereignty.